So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Apple Watch cellular not working problem. So the first solution is make sure your iPhone and your Apple Watch are running the latest versions of iOS and watchOS respectively. To check it out, go to your iPhone and just open your iPhone settings app, tap on your Apple ID and tap on General, and here tap on software update, and here if you see any new update available, then update your iPhone first of all, then go to your Apple Watch, press the crown. In your app library, open the settings, and in settings go down and tap on General. Here tap on software update. If you see any new update available, then update your Apple Watch, and then go ahead and check your cellular working or not. And the next solution, ensure you have cellular plan with a supported carrier, and your iPhone and Apple Watch must use the same carrier. Then go ahead and check the issue. And third solution is make sure you have enough data on your SIM to use cellular internet on your Apple Watch. So must purchase a good internet package before use the cellular network on your Apple Watch. If you're still having the same error, your cellular not working, then you have to force restart your Apple Watch and then check it. To force restart your Apple Watch, you have to press and hold down this crown and the power button at the same time. So press and hold down these two buttons until you see the Apple logo on your watch screen, and that's how. Go ahead and just force restart your Apple Watch, and sometime force restarting your Apple Watch can fix this kind of glitches.